Welcome. Today, we're diving into the Digital Operational Resilience Act, or DORA, a groundbreaking regulation by the European Union designed to make financial institutions cyber resilient in an ever-evolving threat landscape. If you work in financial services, DORA directly impacts you. Let's explore in detail what this regulation means, why it's crucial, and how to get your business prepared. In an increasingly interconnected digital world, operational resilience is no longer optional. Thus, DORA aims to ensure financial stability and safeguard our critical infrastructure. DORA was established by the European Union to create a unified regulatory framework for managing digital risks in finance. By 2025, DORA will reshape how financial institutions manage digital risk, strengthening resilience across industries. Part 1. The DORA Effect. To understand how DORA will affect your organization, let's start with the basics. In a world where cyber threats are rising, DORA helps ensure that these institutions remain functional even during disruptions, protecting both the institution and its clients. This means that financial services, ranging from banks and insurance companies to payment institutions, must build operational resilience to withstand cyber incidents. Essentially, it's about strengthening the digital backbone of Europe's economy. Part 2. The core pillars of DORA compliance. Now, let's move on to the heart of DORA compliance, the core pillars that define what institutions need to do to comply. 2.1. ICT Risk Management. DORA emphasizes a strong framework for identifying, monitoring, and mitigating ICT risks. Businesses need to maintain data integrity, confidentiality, and implement robust protection protocols. 2.2. Incident Reporting. DORA's incident reporting requirement ensures that businesses can respond to cyber disruptions effectively. This includes classifying incidents by severity and reporting them quickly. Think of this as a real-time crisis management playbook. 2.3. Digital Operational Resilience Testing. What's resilience without testing it? Right? Regular, risk-based testing such as threat-led penetration testing is essential. 2.4. Managing third-party risks. Now, more than ever, financial institutions must manage risks tied to third-party ICT providers. To prevent vulnerabilities, vendors and partners must align with your resilience standards. 2.5. Information sharing. Lastly, DORA encourages collaboration. By sharing threat intelligence within trusted networks, institutions can strengthen resilience collectively across the sector. Part 3. Timeline and implementation. So, let's look at the timeline and what it means for your business. DORA has been in the works since 2020, with official compliance set for January 17, 2025. Early action can prevent last-minute disruptions and ensure seamless integration of resilience measures. Part 4. Who does this impact? DORA impacts over 22,000 financial entities across the EU, including banks, insurance companies, investment firms, and ICT vendors. Even smaller or non-EU ICT service providers might find themselves affected if they work with EU financial institutions. This regulation's reach ensures resilience isn't just at the core of large organizations but throughout the financial ecosystem. Part 5. Real-world impact and penalties. Beyond regulatory requirements, DORA compliance is essentially a competitive advantage. A robust digital resilience framework can enhance trust, attract clients, and improve operational efficiency. For leaders, it's an opportunity to prepare your business for future cyber threats and maintain operational resilience through any disruption. Non-compliance with DORA is not just a legal risk but an operational one. Failing to meet these standards can lead to substantial penalties and even disrupt business continuity. For example, a 2023 cyber attack on a major financial institution in the EU led to service disruptions that could have been mitigated under DORA guidelines. Think of DORA as not only meeting a legal standard but building trust with clients by proving that their data and transactions are protected. Part 6. Ensuring continuous improvement. Now that we know why DORA is essential, let's look at what it means to maintain compliance over time. Resilience isn't a one-and-done task. DORA requires continuous improvement, using insights from incidents, resilience testing, and the evolving threat landscape to update and optimize your framework. Here are key steps to keep your organization progressing forwards. 6.1. Foster a resilience-driven culture. Set the tone from the top by making digital resilience a strategic priority, and embed it across daily operations. 6.2. Implement a quarterly or biannual cycle of resilience testing and result-based reviews and updates. Regular assessments like penetration testing reveal vulnerabilities and help you adapt to new threats, often before they actually affect you. 6.3. Use incident data for real-time feedback. Establish a feedback loop for all incidents to refine your response protocols and keep evolving. Consider partnering with reliable cyber intelligence networks. 6.4. Invest in regular training and simulated drills. Upskilling your team keeps everyone prepared. 6.5. Strengthen vendor oversight with regular performance reviews and adopt a multi-vendor strategy to build redundancy. 6.6. Create an annual roadmap for ongoing improvements based on annual audit results and current needs. Continuous improvement is about building a stronger, more adaptable organization. Part 7. Practical steps to prepare for DORA. To assist your organization in your DORA journey, here are key strategies your organization can take right now to prepare for it. 7.1. Set up a DORA task force. Assemble a cross-functional team that understands both technical and strategic aspects of resilience. 7.2. Conduct a DORA gap analysis. Analyze your ICT risk framework to spot gaps with DORA's standards. This step is key to building a roadmap toward compliance. 7.3. Engage with vendors. Ensure your ICT providers meet DORA's standards by requesting proof of resilience testing and asking about incident response strategies. 7.4. Establish incident reporting protocols. Make sure your team knows how to report and categorize incidents effectively. Regular drills help embed these protocols into your organization's culture. Part 7. Summary. DORA compliance isn't merely a regulatory checkbox, it's an investment in long-term resilience. By aligning your operations with DORA standards, you protect your assets while building a foundation of trust and stability for your business. The DORA journey is your path to turning compliance into a competitive edge, ensuring your organization's strength and security in a complex digital world. Part 8. Reflective questions on DORA and digital resilience. Here's a set of reflective questions designed to help you apply DORA principles directly to your organization. These questions are available for download, just follow the link in the description. Take some time with your team to go through these, as they're a practical step towards strengthening your digital resilience and preparing for DORA compliance.